Okay, this is going to be my last video of the night. What I'd like to do is raise raise your vibration using the sound of my voice. Okay. I know it's pretty weird. I know people are like, what the, what the freak are you doing? But no, seriously. Okay, here's what I just did. Okay, and I think I just trained myself doing it. I'm not sure, but oh man, but anyway, you can listen to the sound of my voice, and it will help you raise your vibration. You can do this with or without headphones. Um, because Iasos has one where he's actually using instruments and the piano and things like that, and I'm using the sound of my voice. So, with the couple of minutes that I'm gonna use, I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to use the sound of my voice to raise my vibration once again. Wait, let me get some water. Okay. Vocal acrobatics, baby. Who do you know that can do that? That can raise the sound of his voice. I mean, raise his vibration by using the sound of his voice. Who do you know that can do that? All right. So I'm gonna tell you how you can actually feel this energy. Two ways. It's basically by listening and listening to the sound of my voice and imagine imagining no concentrating and visualizing and feeling your body energy raising up. And what it's actually going to do, it's going to keep you it's not going to drain you, but I mean, it is a little draining to me when you first start. But the more you do it, the less tired you feel. Um, and the only way it's gonna put you to sleep is if you choose to go to sleep. But as you can see, I'm still up, and it's like 12 something. I'm still up, baby. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm gonna do it one more time, then I'm gonna end the video. Oh man, that was fun. Now that's how you do it. Because let me tell you something. Your voice has sound waves in them too. I mean, anybody can do this, but the key is to close the door before you do it. I I mean, I just did it on myself, and I felt pretty good actually. Uh, but yeah, I just wanted to share that with you all. It was pretty cool. Woo! Yeah, that was fun. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, peace. Ciao.